Okay, so this is exercise number 1. It'll be on the 6th string. We'll just play whole notes, so you'll hit it once per measure, count to 4, and this will be at metronome at 70. So if you just scan the exercise, we have a G5, F5, C5. So if you look at your fretboard diagram, G's in the 3rd fret, F is in the 1st fret, G, C is in the 8th, then we go back to G, and we go up to D, which is in the 10th, we go back to C, F, G, the new one would be B flat in measure 19, that's in the 6th fret, C is in the 8th fret, D is the 10th again, F is the 1st, G is the 3rd. So the idea is you will have to look left and right until you have the neck memorized, but that's the purpose, is to get you in it and doing it over and over again so you can apply it. Okay, so here we go. I'm just going to play whole notes. I'll give you a count and then we'll get started. I won't mute the strings or anything. I'll just let them ring. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2,